Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. As the buzzing community continues to ride the wave of excitement around the Osmo 360, today's focus shifts gears toward an even bigger breakthrough, the eagerly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. Based on a flurry of leaks and consistent roadmap signals, we're looking at a launch date around August 7th, right in line with FCC disclosures and DJI's typical announcement cadence. If you're into drone innovation, aerial cinematography, breakthroughs, and serious tech leaks, this one's shaping up to be the next major milestone. So let's break down the leaks in depth, explore why it matters, and highlight what sets this upcoming release apart in the ultralight drone landscape. Why the DJI Mini 5 Pro leak wave has everyone talking. DJI's rumored strategy is to deliver what fans have long wanted, a hefty upgrade while preserving the 250-gram regulatory threshold, ensuring pilots can fly without mandatory registration in many countries. Also, thanks to previous iterations like Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro, we know DJI is highly skilled at packing big camera performance into a superlight micro-drone, but including next-gen specs like LiDAR and omnidirectional sensing into a sub-250G frame? That's pure obstacle avoidance wizardry. Rumors point to an all-new 1-inch CMOS sensor on the Mini 5 Pro, an upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch. That's massive for sunset flights, low-light shooting, or any situation demanding superior dynamic range or clarity. Bigger sensor equals better image quality, keener performance in ISO challenging environments. LiDAR and omnidirectional sensors. Word is DJI is likely integrating LiDAR-based avoidance, plus full 360 degrees obstacle awareness using front, back, downward, and possibly inward-facing cameras, something usually reserved for the large format Inspire or Mavic platforms. If accurate, expect smarter automated flying and safer navigation, even in tight spaces or dim lighting. Ground-up redesign. Rather than recycling the Mini 4 Pro shell, DJI allegedly engineered a fresh chassis from scratch, lightweight yet optimized to host all these upgraded internals. That speaks volumes about engineering finesse and the lengths they're going to hit the regulatory weight limit while adding new capabilities. Extended flight time and power upgrades. Battery evolution. Battery intelligence. Leaks suggest a beefy 3,350 mAh battery. With efficient vented motors and revamped propellers, this could push flight time toward 50 minutes, a notable leap over the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes on standard battery or 45 minutes with the extended pack. Even if real-world endurance hits 40 to 45 minutes, it still sets a new bar in endurance territory. Vented motors plus aerodynamic props. The addition of vented motor housings promises better cooling and sustained efficiency. Combined with propeller redesign, these tweaks support prolonged endurance, smoother power delivery, and reduced overheating during long hover or aggressive flight. Fast charging support. A rumored USB-C PD fast charge up to 65W debut means you're getting back in the air faster. That's a huge win if you're managing multiple batteries during aerial shoots or extended outdoor sessions. Transmission upgrade. Reports suggest DJI is bumping transmission to OcuSync 4 Plus, which could offer 25 to 30 kilometers video link range. Not that you'd, or should, fly that far, but for remote piloting, extended range cinematography, or enterprise survey flights, having that kind of latency and signal strength is next-level drone innovation. Internal and external storage expansion. Internal onboard memory may scale up to 16 gigabytes, handy for quick emergency shot captures if you forget your SD card. Support for microSD up to 512 gigabytes lets you record hours of 4K content without worrying about storage constraints. The gimbal is rumored to be optimized for vertical shooting, ideal for Instagram Reels, TikTok content, or mobile-first creators. Onboard audio recording capabilities are also speculated, allowing pilots to capture ambient sound or narration directly with the footage. This marks a shift towards social media-ready drone features, smart tracking and AI flight enhancements. Upgraded ActiveTrack 360 degrees mode may bring next-gen subject tracking, with smoother target acquisition and adaptive flight responses, especially in complex environments or dynamic filming situations. Pricing projections and value estimation. Current figures place the Mini 5 Pro base price in the USD 850 to 950 range. While premium compared to entry-level drones, if DJI delivers even half of the rumored specs, LiDAR sensing, one sensor, long flight times, advanced transmission, it begins to stack up as a serious player in the high-end micro-drone segment. What makes this one a potential game-changer? Preserves regulatory ease while packing pro-level hardware. Full suite obstacle detection, including LiDAR, previously unseen in sub-250G drones. Bigger sensor, better low-light performance, and vertical video orientation. Support longer flight time and fast charging power. Workflow. Extended range transmission, robust storage, And onboard audio-enhanced AI tracking and near-future ready feature set for content creators. This is shaping up to be DJI's boldest mini drone yet, ushering in true aerial cinematography innovation within a lightweight, unregistered, in many jurisdictions, package. Tech leaks versus official confirmations. None of this is confirmed by DJI. These are leaks from regulatory filings, rumor mill chatter, FCC listing timestamps, and insider tip-offs. Official announcement is most likely landing the week of August 7th. Until DJI posts a teaser or press release, everything remains speculative, though highly plausible based on prior development and past patterns. What I'd personally be most psyched about if this pans out, the one feature that stands out is the LiDAR-enhanced omnidirectional sensing in a drone under 250 G. That's boundary-pushing precision. Also, the one-camera sensor married with ultra-compact form and nearly 50 minutes of flight time? This could redefine what's possible for professional-level drone footage in a travel convertible package. What are you most excited about? Is it the upgraded camera and low-light capability, extra battery endurance, full obstacle avoidance, or the promise of vertical content readiness with onboard audio? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's geek out together on this aerial cinematography revolution.